Hello traders, welcome to another trading video. So now this is the best order block and fair value gap trading strategy you will ever need. So watch it up the end. I'm sure you will not miss anything. Okay, so now here always to get high probability trading setups, sometimes order block and fair value gap, they must move together. How? So now here, for example, now this is your market. Okay, so now always we shall consider market structure. Okay, where is the market moving, right? So now here you can see that this was a bullish market. So now after identifying yes that it is a bullish market, means now we shall look for buying opportunities, right? So now as you can see right here, so when you come here, this was a break of market structure right here. Okay, that's the first thing you have to know, that yes, that was a break of market structure. Then I come to my discount level. To my discount level, what I'm going to look for is the fair value gap. And after looking for the fair value gap, I will see, is there an order block? Okay, on that order block, is a fair value gap following it? So now those are the things I need. Okay, so now for example right here, this is an order block right here. I made a video about order block and fair value gap. I made a video on how to identify an order block. I'll put it in the description, and also on how to find a fair value gap. I'll also put it in the description. You can watch it, right? So now this is an order block right here. And after identifying that, yes, this is an order block, right? The next thing I will identify is where is a fair value gap, right? So now you will see that there was this big fair value gap right here, okay? It is very big here. So now this one, it will be a high probability setup. Why? Because now there is a fair value gap and the order block, right? So now when the market comes right here, you will see that it will be high probability. Here you just look for a confirmation right here. Okay. So now when it comes to your fair value gap or an order block, you just look for confirmation and you enter, right? So now which confirmation do we use here? Okay. So now when the market comes right here, for example, the market, it will come sometimes in your lower time frame, making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows here. Okay. And until it makes a market structure shift right here. Okay, this is always the confirmation we use to enter on the lower time frame right here. Okay, as you can see, when the market comes back, it will always take out the liquidity. How? So now here, if it was a bullish trend, you see it was coming, making some bearish trend internal structure, right, until it reached here and it broke this lower high it left here. When it breaks this lower high up here, you will see that there's that liquidity they have taken up, and there's this liquidity they have taken here down right here. Okay, and you will see always the market will come back to your lower time frame, to that fair value gap or an order block on your lower time frame, and it buys. So now always you look for that for that confirmation on your lower time frame. You will see it. Okay, so now after the market coming back to your higher time frame fair value gap and order block right there. Okay, so now we are here, guys. We are here. Okay, so now here, what are we going to do? Here we are going to look for our market structure, right? So now when you see here, the market was, yes, bullish, as you can see right here. Then until it came and broke these lows that we are here. Okay, so now until it came and broke what? These lows right here. When it broke that, what does it tell us? It tells us that yes, we are now bearish. We go to our premium level. We look for a fair value gap. After getting a fair value gap, what you have to look at is there an order block? Okay, is there an order block? Right? Yes, there is an order block right there. Okay, it is right here. Okay, so now that means this one is our high probability setup. Means what? When the market comes back to your higher time frame zone, you go to a 15-minute time frame, look for confirmation, any confirmation that you use, and enter the market. This is an H4 time frame, guys. So guys, if you want to get free knowledge about trading, I'll put a link to my Telegram channel in the description. You can tap it and join my students. Thank you. So now we are here. Okay, so now that was a nice trade. After that, you can see there was another break of market structure right here. Okay, this was a break of market structure right here. So now here we shall go to our premium zone. Okay, so now in your premium zone, what do you look at? We look at a fair value gap and an order block. Okay, so now there is an order block, there is a fair value gap right here. Okay, there is a fair value gap right here. Okay, then there is an order block right here. So now remember, the market might come to your fair value gap and use it as liquidity, then it goes to the order block and it moves. Okay, so now you can see here when it came there, it is a higher probability setup right there. You can see how it moved, guys. Okay, so now it was a very nice trade. Okay, so now we are here. This was a break of market structure right here. Okay, after that you go to your premium zone. Okay, in your premium zone, what do you look at? We look at the fair value gap, which was here. Okay, it was right here. And after looking at that fair value gap, we ask ourselves, is there an order block that we can look at? It is right here. So now always you have to find an order block in a fair value gap there. Okay, so now we always I told you, for the confirmation, we always go to your lower time frame. Let's go to our 15-minute time frame and we get some confirmation, and we see how we can get some confirmation, guys. Okay, so now let's use this one right here. Here the market was in a bearish trend. It was breaking lows. So now it was breaking lower highs and lower lows. Okay, until it reached here. There was a lower high, it left here. Then when the market came and broke this lower high, okay, you can see when the market came and broke that lower high, you can see how it came back down here and boom, it bought. So now that's how we get confirmations on your 15-minute time frame, because there was the liquidity that was taken out from down here. Okay, this liquidity was taken out from down here, and also it was taken out from up here. So now after taking all the liquidity from up and down, yes, what do we expect? We expect market. That means this one is a protected low. This one right here, it is a protected low. That means there are low chances for the market to break that low. Okay, so now hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching. This is Jimmy. Stay safe and goodbye.